working with my son Brandon, who's never competed in high school. First, we're going to start with the wind-up, trying to get the arms out 180 degrees apart, keep them at shoulder level. We demonstrated together. Now I let him kind of struggle on his own and try it out. Now I demonstrate again, even more specifically. He thinks he has it, but he doesn't really, even by watching. I have to correct him as we go. That's the problem with not having a coach. You need somebody to watch you. Here we're trying to keep the torso vertical as we rotate. He's dropped the discus again. Now I'm showing him turn the left knee and the left foot with the left arm together. There we go. Now we're gonna show him how to lock in that right hip as he rotates to keep himself separated from his lower to his upper body. You can see the ground slippery. Typical Pacific Northwest day. Here we're keeping our feet apart, toes pointing outward, squatted a little bit. Showing him going high to low. High at the back of the windup and then coming down as he turns to the left. Now we're going to work on getting his left arm and left knee to 9 o'clock. That's the 9 o'clock position there. Where he's facing right now toward the camera is 12 o'clock. So I'm going to use the foam bat for a left arm target. Teaching him to keep the arm horizontal. He's learning to turn the left arm and the left foot and knee together.